Hello, children! Today we're going to read words with long E sound. P, ik, p, ik, pick, pick. B, ik, b, ik, big, big. W, ik, w, ik, wick, wick. L, ik, l, ik, lick, lick. Pick, big, wick, lick. Now, children, it's your turn to read. Ready? That's great. L, in, l, in, lin, lin. B, in, b, in, bin, bin. M, in, m, in, min, min. Cl, in, cl, in, clean, clean. Lin, bin, min, clean. It's your turn, children. Good job. T, im, t, im, tim, tim. B, im, b, im, bim, bim. R, im, r, im, rim, rim. Der, im, der, im, dream, dream. Tim, bim, rim, dream. Now it's your turn. Good job. Ha, ear, ha, ear, here, here. Y, ear, y, ear, year, year. T, ear, t, ear, tear, tear. F, ear, f, ear, fear, fear. Here, here, tear, fear. Now, children, it's your turn. Good job. J, ip, j, ip, jip, jip. W, ip, w, ip, whip, whip. Sl, ip, sl, ip, slip, slip. Sh, ip, sh, ip, ship, ship. Jip, whip, slip, ship. It's your turn, children. That's great. B, E, B, E, B, B. S, E, S, E, C, C. Ter, E, ter, E, tree, tree. B, C, tree. It's your turn to read, children. Good job, children. Now let's read all the words together. Bick, lick, wick, pick, bin, lin, min, clean. Beam, beam, rim, dream. Here, tear, year, fear. Jip, whip, slip, ship. B, C, tree. You're awesome, children.